Hello everyone, Dreena back with 2 new products from Eli Home. So I shared a few months ago their cutting boards, which I use and love. And I think if you have one of those cutting boards, you won't want to go back to another type of cutting board. They wash well, you can pop them in the dishwasher. They feel really nice with your knife as you're cutting, a really nice surface. They don't hold odors, which is brilliant. However, if you're very sensitive to odors, say you chop garlic and onion, and you can kind of still pick up that aroma, you'll really enjoy these new color-coded cutting boards from Eli Home. I have to turn this one around. And so you can use one, say, for savory items and another for fruits. And when you are cutting really juicy items like fruits, they have this groove to catch the juices, which is really nice. Now, this color coding is also non-slip, so it's not going to slide around on your countertop. So again, if you love to have a few cutting boards, and also it's nice to have more than one if you're using your cutting boards to do a lot of food prep in one day, right? Say during the holidays especially, you might be chopping and preparing one thing, that cutting board's really dirty, you get it in the dishwasher and then you start something else. It's handy to have a second cutting board, right? The other item that Eli Home has is this new line of spatulas, and I'm kind of obsessed with them. Is that weird to be obsessed with spatulas? Chocolate and spatulas. Okay, so I've had a lot of people email me about what spatula I use, because I think when we buy spatulas, they break down fairly easily. And sometimes they come in two-piece construction, right? You have the sort of silicone top and then maybe a wooden handle. And what happens is it separates at that point, and a lot of food and particles can get in there. And also when they do separate, they always separate. You may be able to put it back on, but it will always keep separating and stuff gets in there and bacteria, and it's nasty. So these are one solid piece construction. They are brilliant. I love them. They're very sturdy. So they're sturdy, but still a little bit flexible, and they have different sizes. So I have this set of the 3 sizes, and this little one is so perfect for when you're blending a mix like a nut cheese and you have the little blender. I use the twister jar on Blendtec, and you're scraping that out. This is perfect. It gets down around that blade, right? Down around the blade of the small jar. So handy to have a small spatula and then larger ones. I love these, and I love just simple black, right? I think they come in other colors. I'm pretty certain they do, like a whole range of colors. I just wanted the simple black ones, but I have not had a spatula that is as good as this one. For real, guys. So if you want some nice sturdy spatulas, looking to maybe gift someone for the holidays, that's your deal right there. And check out the cutting boards as well. And any questions, let me know below. I'll share the links for you below, and hope you go get yourself a very fine set of spatulas and some color-coded cutting boards. Why not, right? Have a really beautiful kitchen. Okay, guys, I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.